Hey everybody, JC here. Welcome to another Mini Engine Monday. Now, sadly, this will be the final Mini Engine Monday because school has started, and so no access on Mondays. But I've had a good time, and it's been a lot of fun. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Now, I mentioned previously that I had run out of Mini Engine rockets, so there was only one thing to do: get more, and that's what I did. So, first up today is the Gnome. It's going up on a 1/2 A3 4T. Okay. All right, everything's prepped. Clear, clear, clear everywhere. Some traffic, but shouldn't go that high. All right, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, oh, I see it up there. All right. All right, so it's drifting down. All right, nice close launch. Went pretty much straight up. Glad I didn't launch that on A3. Not telling where it would have gone. All right, looks good. All the parts still there. Excellent. Hey everybody, you may notice that I'm at a different location. That's because I got kicked out of the park I normally use. Evidently there was a complaint, and the guy from the Parks and Rec came over, and I showed him my permission. He said, well, but there was a complaint, so until we get that resolved, you're gonna have to leave. So that's the way it is. Okay, so next up is the Firehawk. Now, this rocket is basically a Bandit. It's got the same style building, same nose cone, slightly different fin can, but for all purposes, it's really just a Bandit. Okay, we're going up on an A3 4T, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right, decent flight. Yeah, unfortunately this park is pretty small, I mean even smaller than the other one, and so I mean it's okay for mini engines, but I'm not sure it'd be good to fly anything bigger than that in there. Now it did land in the dirt, which is kind of bad because I got an altimeter in there that doesn't have a case on it, but okay, let's see if we can home in on this. All right, looks like 356 feet. Not bad. Okay. Okay, so next up is the Dink. Now, if you've never heard of this rocket, don't feel bad because I had neither. The funny thing is that I accidentally found it in my rocket stash. Don't know when I got it, don't know where I got it, but it's another rocket that's basically a Bandit. It has the same fin can as Bandit 2, but it has a rounded nose cone, which I've never seen on another rocket. So, interesting. All right. Still clear as a bell here. Launching in 5, 4, 3. Oh, it's going on A3 4T. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right up above us. Gonna come down. Probably in the dirt again. No, maybe not. It's kind of curling around. There is some wind. Oh, on the grass. Nice. Of course, the grass is really wet, and I have the uncased altimeter inside it. But hey, you know, that's the way it is. Okay, what do we got here? Definitely wet and wet, wet, wet. Okay, very dim. Probably because it's wet. It's like 450 feet, looks like to me. Yep, 450. All right. Okay, that was our 3 mini-engine flights, but wait, there's more. That's right. We have another mini-engine flight. This time it's the Star Hopper, little snap together, mostly plastic with a little teeny body tube rocket. I thought, well, you know, it's last mini-engine Monday. Let's do something different. Okay, it's got a 1/2 A34T in it. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. It's kind of heavy because it's plastic, but for this little park, it's a very reasonable flight. Oh, little piece of wadding. Pick that up. All right, so we got a little nose cone bounce crunch, but everything else looks good. Well, that happens. Came with a really tiny shock cord. Okay, they always say you should go big or go home, and this time we're going to go big before we go home. This is our 5th and final mini-engine launch, and it is the Humdinger. Now this is sort of a mini mean machine. It does use mini engines, and it's just under 2 feet tall, but it's a BT5, so I don't know. It comes with a parachute, but it's getting kind of windy, so I put a streamer in there. It may break in half when it lands, who knows. But hey, it was fun. That's the important thing. A10-3. All right, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, heading towards the sun, of course, and the trees. Oh! Landed on the concrete. That's probably not good. I have to admit, that is the one place I did not think it was going to land. Oh well. It might be its first and only flight. Oh, wait a minute. It has all the fins. Huh, look at that. So there's the corner of the fin where it landed on the concrete. It's in focus there. But the stickers don't stick where the darn. But hey, other than that, good flight. Okay, it is bonus launch time. And in keeping with the theme of all new rockets, we have on the pad Blue Origin. Just got it a couple weeks ago. You don't have to do anything to it, just basically screw the fins on. It's going up on a C53. Now, that might be a little big for this park, so I put a little chute in it. It comes with a 15, so we'll see. All right, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. There we go. All right, that worked out well. Not too high, 300-400 feet maybe. Okay, well, the smaller chute was just fine. Of course, it didn't land on the concrete either, so let's turn the old camera off here. Get out here and see. I did put an altimeter in there, so we'll see how it does. Doesn't look like anything's broken. Nice soft wet grass. Emphasis on the wet. Okay. All right. And what does it say here? I'll turn it off. Turn it back on. Come on, focus, 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 focus. Come on, you can do it. Why? Why is it so hard to focus on something right in front of you? Oh, it's not on. Clever. There you go. There we go. All right. $304 Nice. Okay, it's time for bonus launch number 2. That's right, you heard me. Bonus launch number 2. We are going big or going home. Well, I'm going to go home after this. So, okay, Space Force Centurion. Another brand new rocket. Okay, going on a B-44. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Pushing towards the trees, which is weird because the wind is blowing this way. And oh my god, it hit 2 trees on the way down, but landed safely. Awesome. Let's go get it. All right, so luckily it was able to land on the concrete so it wouldn't get dirty. Well, actually it looks okay. Don't see any damage. Yeah, it's okay. Cool. All right, a successful day. Thanks for watching.